All right, so we're going to add a pad, and I'm also going to add some plucks to add a little, like, kind of, to move the beat along, add a little bit more rhythm. So let's start with a pad, and this really just needs to be an atmospheric pad to bring some shine to the track, and normally it's just the root note, you know, up top, high. So let's, I'm actually going to call this Atmos, because it's more of an atmosphere pad than a different type of synth pad or something like that. So we're going to call this Atmosphere. I'm going to drag it over here. Same thing. We're going to keep using one shots. We haven't used one instrument, which is pretty cool. Maybe we'll do the whole beat without using one instrument. That would definitely be the free and easy way to do this. So let's go to, I went to One Shot Essentials. Let's look for a pad. Yeah, that one's pretty good. So we're going to go with that. I'm going to line that up to track 8. I'm going to right click, go to piano roll. Oh, I still need to go to the envelope. Do what we always do. Turn the hold all the way up. Turn everything else all the way down. All right, right click, piano roll. There we go. So it's just one note, and it's pretty straightforward, but I'm going to turn it way down. I'm just going to put, it's just to put a little shine on the track, so we know when the chorus is coming in. And I'm actually going to put a little reverb to soften it up a bit. So I'm going to go to add an effect to a mixer channel, so you can see this is our pad, and I just right-click to solo this, so you hear what it sounds like. I'm just going to add, go over here and add reverb. So FL Studio comes with reverb. One of their stock plugins is called Reverb 2, and it's spelled R-E-E-V-E-R-B 2. And I'm just going to solo the track, so I'm going to right-click there. I'm going to open this reverb back up. And I'm going to, right here's the decay, or how long it's holding out the reverb. Put a nice long decay on it. And I'm also going to EQ just the tippy top parts of the frequencies out. So right here there's one called Fruity Parametric EQ2 that I'm going to use. And I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to go to Type, Low Pass, Order, 8. And it's just taking some of that really high-pitched stuff out of there. But it'll still give the track a nice shine. Alright, listening. And that's an instrument that just kind of barely needs to be there, but it's a little ear candy that you don't notice is there. Okay, so let's do a pluck next. Pluck. And I'm thinking something that kind of goes up and down scale. Bunk, 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 bunk. You know, that type of thing. All right, let's find a... So we're doing the same thing. We created a new pattern. We drug it over here. We're going to open up the channel rack. We're going to look for a pluck sound. So let's see what we got. We'll try one shots first. Hear what these sound like. And if you notice, if you just click on these samples, they'll audition them for you to show you what they sound like. This one's pretty good. Okay. We're going to do 9. We're going to do what we always do. Go to the envelope. There we go. I think with this one, it's not as big of a deal, though, because it's a pluck sound, so it's not sustaining for long anyway. All right. Okay. literally almost choose any of the light gray notes, and it's gonna sound pretty good. I'm just gonna randomly put them in and just kind of go up and down, and hear what it sounds like, just to kind of prove that theory. I'm not singing this in my head. I don't know what it's gonna sound like when it's over, but you know, we may have to make some adjustments. But let's put the theory to the test. Yeah, I feel like these need to stay a little lower, so we're just gonna do that. And we missed one over here somewhere. Alright, and we're just gonna kind of keep it to the lower registers. Cool. Alright, so we've got plucks, and we've got a real high, like, atmosphere pad going on there. Okay. Listening. It's pretty good. Let's format it. So, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to format it so you can start putting structure to it, and then we'll do the transitions. We'll start removing elements here and there, and then you're going to have a song. So let's go ahead and get into it.